to find x here, right? Now I will use kind of different way, little different, but the normally I find some other angle no here. Now I will use some thing little different, but the now here x no we need to find. Now for the x you will get idea here, x will equal to this, because why? What the reason? You know here this alternate angle, right? This is alternate angle. Now you can see AB, GFOGE. These two line parallel. They put this two arrowhead here, two arrowhead. That means AB line parallel to GE, right? That means now like Z we call normally Z. Like this way we know these two angle equal, like that. Now if I draw it again like this way, right? It's in other color. Look like this. Z no, Z no. So that's why if this is X, this should be X. That's the first thing you need to understand, right? And then again we have CG and DF parallel. They put one arrow, one arrowhead here, here arrowhead, and here also. So that means these two again parallel. That means this angle will be equal to this angle. Because why? Normally we call like F, right? Corresponding angle like this. These two line must have parallel. You must have this two line like parallel. This arrowhead. So here this line and this line. If I draw it to show you, now this is like this way, like this, right? F. So this angle equal to this angle. That means here also x, right? Yeah. Now here a little bit mixed up. Here x, right? This is x. If this is x, very carefully look this triangle, but the DEF triangle, this triangle. Here they tell DE equal to FE, but it not look like. But they tell no, this two line equal, DE equal to FE. Definitely, then you need to accept that. You need to believe, okay, DE equal to FE, like that. So here x, that means in the isosceles triangle, this is isosceles triangle, no, then I mean DEF triangle is isosceles, because why? Two sides equal. Now opposite angle of that two sides is equal also, right? This one and here, these two equal. That means if this is x, this also must be x, right? Okay, now you will feel what you need to do, right? Here x plus 30 will be equal to 180. So you can use that way to find the x, right? 30 equal 180. Try to understand how I did it. First I use here alternate angle, this equal to this, then this angle equal to this angle, because corresponding angle, because here like F, here corresponding angle, this angle equal to this angle. Then I use here isosceles triangle, because they tell this side equal this side, I mean DE equal to FE. So opposite angle of that two side, this side opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one, these two equal. So then after I put here x, then here also x, because these two equal. So then I can write what this line, what this plus this is interior angle of a triangle, no? So this angle plus this angle plus this angle should be 180. So here 2x, I will bring this 30 to here, so 180 minus 30, so it will be here 150 equal to x. Here to get x value, I will divide both sides by 2. So here x equal what the when you divide 150 by 2, it will be 75 degrees. So that's the answer for x.